wish you couldn't hear me, like the cigarette you gave me that night in December. Got cold and was frozen. You wrapped your arms around me. I know you